Question number 27. Three identical capacitors are connected in series. For such problems, what you do is you start with the equation directly. Three identical capacitors connected in series. It means what? The total capacitance would be 1 by series is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C, because identical, right? Which should be equal to 3 by C, which means CS is equal to C by 3. Now let us read the next one. The total capacitance of this arrangement is 1 by 9 millifarad. So which should be equal to 1 by 9 millifarad. Okay. So from here what I can do? I can get C by 3 equal to 1 by 9. 3's are 9 over here. I can say capacitance of each capacitor is 1/3 of a millifarad. That's what I can say. The three capacitors are then connected in parallel. If they are connected in parallel, what will happen? It will be C plus 3, which should be equal to 3C. What is the capacitance of the parallel? So capacitance of this parallel should be 3C, which should be 3 into 1 by 3, which should be equal to 1 millifarad. See, automatically we have come to the answer. Answer is B. Okay.